Hey makers, it's Charlotte and I'm here today with Matt, our in-house skin and hair care expert. Today we're going to talk to you about how to make skin and hair care products for beginners. If you're new to these products, you might be feeling a little bit overwhelmed thinking, how do I start making these? That's totally understandable. Luckily for you, we created some really easy ways for you to get started. And that is using our pre-made bases. Whether you're making shampoo, conditioner, a facial cleanser, a day or night cream, a serum, a mask, a makeup remover, or many other products, we have pre-made bases that are super simple for you to get started with. Matt, tell us a little bit about how to customize and use these pre-made bases.
Great, not a problem. So these bases were hand selected by our Makesy team to not only reflect our commitment to quality, sustainability, and eco-derived ingredients, but we also wanted to provide an almost complete end product to you, the user, that can be customized at the very end to make it something that's completely your own. These bases are able to be customized about 15%, so 85% of your finished formula should be the base. What you can add kind of comes down to the type of base. If it's a lotion or a day cream, you can pretty much add any kind of active, additional oils, butters, or even some kind of clays or texturizers to give a different kind of feel to your finished product. The only thing I would say is that if you're gonna use a product that does not contain oils or emulsifiers currently, try to avoid adding oils to that product. You'll risk the clarity, and then if you don't properly use an emulsifier to blend the oils into that solution, it'll ruin the stability of the mixed product.
Perfect. And I love to add fragrance or essential oils to some of these products as well. And you can customize from an array of active ingredients we have to give these a functional benefit. Now, as Matt said, they're pretty much ready to go on their own, and they're chock full of amazing ingredients for your skin and hair. So whether you're making products for yourself or you're starting a business around skin and hair care products, you can start making right away, and you can learn about formulating, ingredients, and this whole industry as you go. If you have any questions about getting started, please drop us a comment below. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to stay in the know on all the latest makers tips and tricks.